to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2015 Corvette Z06. This is a 3LZ, top of the line 3LZ. This is finished in night race blue metallic. Gorgeous color, love that color, very hot. Underneath here you've got the roof, and you can see the Alcantara headliner that's part of the 3LZ package. It's got all its little bits there that you'll need, a wheel lock and a gas filler. It's got the cargo cover. We've got the top and the back so that you can see the top off and see where the top goes. It just locks in place right here. Click and click so that when you're driving around it doesn't float around. Super system. And then we'll close the lid there and let you see. Look at that car from the back, gorgeous. Nice big spoiler on it. It's got the large performance exhaust with the dual mode system operated, and it's got the wide body so you can see the big ginormous fenders. It's got the brake air coolers there. That's finished in black flash metallic, and so is the spoiler finished in black flash metallic. The wheels are done in the black with the red painted calipers, looks outstanding. Nice supreme contact or extreme contact Continental tires. No curb rash, no issues. It's got that beautiful blue interior. That is a stunning combination, the blue against the night race blue. Z06 embroidery in the seats along with the baseball stitching. Just a great look. Let's climb in and just see if we have books. Yes, all of the books are there. So a full system set up right there. And look at the inside of the door frames, just beautiful. Big Bose sound system. Again, the nice baseball stitching on the doors. And you can see the Alcantara on the sun visors is the same as on the headliner and on the A-pillars. And Z06 supercharged, as it says right there. Here's your front rim, no curb rash, no issues. Extreme contacts, Continental tires, painted rotors, painted calipers. Outstanding. Under the hood, 650 horsepower LT4 supercharged with a 650 foot-pounds of torque, mated to a 7-speed manual transmission. This is a rocket, folks. This is a lot of fun. You can see the car is outstanding condition. The liner on the hood mat is in great condition as well. Close the hood there, and you can see the nice inlets. Finished in black flash metallic again. And the front, you can see a little wee stone chip right there, but you need a magnifying glass to see it. And no issues, nice air dam down the front spoiler. Love the design of the Z06, that front end is just beautiful. And here's your other front wheel, no curb rash, no issues. And the other wheel. Painted calipers, painted rotors, black wheels, Continental extreme contact tires, beautiful. And here we have the driver's memory package, power windows, power locks. Our power mirrors are there, our heads-up display controls are there. This has the multifunction control seat with the lumbar and side bolster adjustment, all power, beautiful, gorgeous color. So let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. Short shifter, so it's very short. Nice short shifter there. 14,430 kilometers. We're just going to change this to track, and you hear the exhaust. Come on, right there. Crazy, eh? We have PDR. So you've got your performance data recorder that you can set up with an SD card. You've got your screen that opens here with a USB port in there. We've got full navigation right there, factory nav, there you go, and voice controls, and this one's got heated seats, cooled seats, fully automatic air conditioning, and there you see it down there, 650, 650. Over here are your steering wheel controls for the volume, your telephone, voice commands. Over there is your cruise control, and down here are your favorite channels. So rev match, which is really cool to use, keeps the revs where they should be. And the heads-up display, let me see if I can turn it up so that you can see it in there. Turn it up brighter, change the info up and down, there you go. be able to see it there, move it up and down. It's got the frameless mirror up there with OnStar. Nice machine, man. Really nice. The carbon fiber on the steering wheel is part of the Z06 package. The flat bottom steering wheel. Your memory. Wow, that is awesome. There it is with the lights on. Just gorgeous. Look at that paint. Sparkling, beautiful. And what were white taillights now are red with the LED lights. Massive exhaust. Listen to that chug. That is awesome. Nice wide body here. Let me just give you one more look on that wide body. That is gorgeous. Beautiful. So there you have it, folks. That's a 2015 Chevy Corvette Z06 3LZ Night Race Blue Metallic. It's here and available at munromotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I look forward to seeing you real soon.